Hello guys, welcome to the Kingdom of Sonu. So this is Cloud Computing Lab 3. Okay, so we have a very easy lab. So our main task is to demonstrate the concept of cloud distributed data processing using the Hadoop within the our lab. Okay, so we should know the basics of this Amazon AWS, how to create the EC2 instances, basic Linux commands, okay, and how to connect. So let's see the what is the task when given. So this simply says that execute this command, get the host name, and check the connectivity by pinging the Google, and then paste the screenshot. Okay. Then task 2 is also simple, that create this path and create this folder. Go to this folder and create this using the nano editor. Add this data into that file, data.txt file, and then perform this word count. Okay, that's it, guys. Very simple, very easy lab. Let's do it now. So I have already logged into my AWS dashboard. Okay, let's click there and click on the EC2. So this is the instance. Click there. We have to create a new instance.
Okay, you have been signed out due to 1 hour. Okay, so what I will do, click on the sign in. If it don't work, I will simply go and launch it. It will work, guys, don't worry. After 1 hour, it is compulsory that it will it will log out. Okay, so don't worry. And I know a lot of people got issue that $20 are already used, and you got emails also. Many people pinged me. I checked one or two guys, but couldn't help them. What is the issue? I don't know. I also checked. There is nothing running extra. Let it be storage in different regions, or EC2 instance were also not there. But how $20 got utilized, I don't know. So what mail reply you got, I don't know. You didn't given me follow-ups.
What happened further? So this is already terminated. Let's create new instance, guys. Launch a instance. Now give the name. It will be okay. Give our name. Okay. Now Amazon, this is correct, this is correct. T2.micro, no guys, change it. T3A, right? T3A dot nano or micro. So 2 GB, okay, 1 GB RAM. This is 500 MB RAM. So take this. Login pair is I created Hira, so I'm not creating it again. So network settings, subnet, it will be default, okay, no issues. No preference, but default will be selected. Okay, so I am allowing all HTTP traffic and all. 8 GB of storage. Okay, everything is correct. I feel everything is correct. Let's launch it. Further we will do go to the instance. Now it is running, so click there and click on the connect. Okay, let's see the document, guys. We will start with changing our student name and then bits ID, and this is Cloud Computing Lab 3. Course ID is also correct. So change the student name and all. Objective will be, say, oh, it is DOM. Okay, objective will be close it. Prerequisite is site. Change it now. This is the output. Okay. Now let's do cloud network connectivity. Okay, we can go through all the commands I have already listed here, guys. So where are we? We have to click on the connect. Many people face issue here that they get error and they ping me. If you are doing in Wipro laptop, it may cause issue, guys, because Zscaler will block. Okay, so before running anything, I will check who am I and where I am. PWD. Okay, I am in home already and in EC2 user. ls nothing pwd. Okay, who am I? EC2 user. So let's paste the commands. Host name. So this is my host name, guys. Now further we have check the connectivity that we can ping Google. Yes, we are receiving the communication from Google. So yes, packets are sent and received, zero loss. Okay. So connectivity is there, guys. Take the screenshot and paste it in our document. Okay. Whenever I always select this red paste text and then I will paste so that the text will be removed. Okay. See, I select this and I will control V. Then the selected red color paste text will be removed. Okay. Always save the document while working. Now further we have make directory. Okay. We are not going in any home, guys, because we are already in home. Okay. See, else we will not have any permissions. We will get those errors. So let's make the directory here. No issues. So directory is created and let's move there. Okay. So now we are in Hadoop lab. Okay. Now further what we will do, let's do this nano command also. This is creating the let's take screenshot or what. Create working directory. Let's take screenshot, guys. Let's take screenshot. Always take full screenshot, guys, else you may lose marks. Okay. Now it is very let me exit this. Arey yaar. I did mistake, guys. We have to use clear command, okay, not exit. If you type something and you want to clear, then you have to click clear, not exit, okay. So take care. Let's move further. Nano command. All the files and all will be there, okay. Don't worry. pwd. Now we have Hadoop. So let's do cd Hadoop lab. अरे यार spelling mistake. cd Hadoop lab. Okay. Now we will do nano data.txt. Nano is the text editor, guys. So let's paste this data into the text. Okay. This now we will paste it. Yes. Now press Control X. Control X means exit. Now there is saying save modified buffer. So click on yes. Yes. Yes means why. Okay. Now file name to write data.txt. Yes. Press enter, guys. That's it. Now we are out. Okay. Now we can use cat command to view the file. Okay. View the data inside the data.txt. See, this is the content of the data.txt. Okay. Now further we have to use word count command. This simply paste it, guys. Cat command will help you show this data, and what will happen, translate all these spaces. This is empty, okay, it means space. Give it a new line. Wherever you will get spaces like here, here, it will give new line. And sort means it will be sorted into ABCD, okay, first letter, and only unique words count it. Now press enter. See what happened. From B, C, D, everything coming, okay, from sorting. And what happened with translate, after cloud you got next line, after computing it is next line, but it is not a space, okay, so it did nothing. But in big you will get um, uh, next line, okay, after data space you will get next line. So after all these words got separated, Okay, it got split and it got sorted A, B, C, D. Okay, and unique characters are counted. Big is coming 2 times. How? Let's check. Big. Okay, one big found. Second big is here. Cloud is coming 2 times. Let's check. One, two. So yes, big is also 2 times. Computing is 2 times. Data is 2 times. Let's check. One data, another data. Okay. Hadoop is only once. Yes, Hadoop is only once. Okay, that's it, guys. We have completed our lab. Thank you very much, guys. Bye bye. Oh, okay. Let's wait. Take the screenshot and paste it, guys. Let's not be in so many rush. We have done everything. Create the input data set. Okay, we forgot one thing, guys. Create input data set. So go to that nano command. I'm clicking on the upper key. Now take the screenshot and paste it. Okay, that's it, guys. Now write this same to same conclusion and don't forget to paste the lab usage screenshot. Okay, now we will do Control X. Okay, now nothing, we have to go there. Now stop this instance, guys. Select the instance. Let's stop it, terminate it. Click on the terminate. Now wait for some minutes and let it terminate. Okay, don't close it directly. Instance ID, instance ID is required here. I didn't saw. So let's go on top, create the instance ID. Here instance ID is this. Okay, save it. So it will be as per the lab. Okay, now it's complete, guys. I hope I'm not forgetting anything. It's perfect now. I will share you this PDF as well. Okay, done, guys. We can close, no issues. Okay, thank you, guys. Thank you very much. Bye bye.